I've been swimming since I was 8 years old, competitively. Swimming's kind of been like an escape for me, kind of by yourself for a couple hours, which is kind of a nice release from life. When I was about 13 years old, I was diagnosed with pectus excavatum. It means sunken chest. Initially, they put one metal bar in my chest that kind of pushed my chest outwards, and then I had to have another surgery because that metal bar flipped over on top of my lungs and deflated my lungs. So I was rushed to the ER, had to be rushed to the hospital, then had corrective surgery. Now I have 2 metal bars in my chest. I swim sprint freestyle, so it kind of allowed me to do different relays as well. So this past conference, we actually broke the 200 freestyle relay record, which I was a part of. And I also did really well in the 100 breaststroke. My coach has been a huge influence on me at Monmouth. He tracks your academics as well as your athletics. He's really a reliable guy, and he's really easy to go talk to, which is really nice. Because of the people that have donated to college, I've been able to excel in and out of the pool. Monmouth College has showed me that you can do multiple things and succeed at multiple things at the same time, and that's because of the people that donate. So.